Mighty neighborly of Mr. Twiddle to leave the zoo gate unlocked like this. He ought to know better with a sneaky alligator like me around. But neither zookeeper nor zoo wall could possibly stand in the path of my destiny of becoming a famous movie star. All I gotta do now is, get discovered like. What's this? Squab's Drugstore. It's fate. That's what it is. All the movie stars are discovered in Squab's Drugstore. Hollywood, here I come. Oh, fuddle-dee-doo. I almost get killed, and he says it was nothing. Ain't that something? Twiddle should have stayed with me, you know. I smell something cooking. Good gracious! How about 2 seats down front? Oh, fuddle-dee-doo. Just how lucky can one alligator get? Stripped of your stripe. Happy birthday! Fuddle-dee-doo! I didn't even get a chance in the water when they can't swim. Twiddle's got the wrong alligator. Now that I've got a stand-in, I'm gonna have lots of free time. Clean cage is a healthy cage. And I might add, sir, a safe cage?